So what is the last, meaning what is a sign within you that you are heading in the right direction? I can tell you one thing quickly: you will be content even without anything. You will be content even if you are on your deathbed. You will be content, meaning Allah will give you a calmness. He will give you a reassurance. Yes, we all want the forgiveness of Allah. We ask Allah's forgiveness and we hope in Allah. But that hope will be the overpowering factor. It will be overpowering. I tried hard. People laughed at me. They laughed at the Prophet. Anytime they do negatives to you, ask yourself, did they not do this to Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? They accused him of everything in detail. They said everything. And yet, they used to call him as-Sadiq al-Amin at one stage. When he married a woman much older, they had something to say. When he married whoever else, they had something to say. No matter what he did, they had something to say. Nowadays, we are living in an era where no matter what we do, people will have something to say. They have something to say. Don't worry, for as long as you have that link with Allah, wallahi, we will be heading in the right direction. May Allah grant us Jannah. May Allah open our doors. May Allah help us go through our difficulties and hardships. May Allah restore for us our income. May Allah restore for us our health. May Allah restore for us all the goodness that we were in and even beyond. May Allah make us steadfast with fulfilling the duty unto Him